Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a tax extension electronically, step by step. Filing an extension gives you more time to prepare your tax return, typically an additional 6 months, without incurring late filing penalties. It's a straightforward process that can be completed online, offering a secure and efficient way to manage your tax obligations. Remember, an extension to file is not an extension to pay any taxes you owe, so estimating your tax liability is still important. Before you begin, gather some essential information. You'll need your full legal name, current address, and social security number. It's also crucial to have an estimate of your tax liability for the current year. While you don't have to pay the estimated tax when you file the extension, knowing this amount helps you avoid potential penalties. Having your prior year's tax return nearby can also be helpful for quick reference. To file your extension, you'll use IRS Form 4868, which is the application for automatic extension of time to file U.S. individual income tax return. You can submit this form electronically through the IRS website using their free file program, or by using commercial tax software. Be sure to accurately enter your estimated tax liability and any payments you've already made. Remember to file this form before the original tax deadline to ensure your extension is granted. Once you've successfully filed your extension, you'll receive a confirmation number. It's important to save this for your records. Your new deadline for filing your tax return will typically be 6 months from the original due date. Remember, filing an extension only gives you more time to file, not more time to pay. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay your estimated amount by the original deadline to avoid interest and penalties. You've now successfully extended your filing time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.